In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery and selecting Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, just hold one of your photos that you wish to delete. To select all of them right away, use this icon at the top right corner. To exclude some of them that you wish to keep, tap on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this pin at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!